recognize some of you. So it's a familiar group of folks. So, what's the process?
Yeah, thank you, Mr. County Executive, and thank you, Councilmember Christine Min. As you are aware, the 2023 Oromo Sport Federation of North America is scheduled to take place in Montgomery County, your beautiful county, with your leadership, from July 22nd to July 29th. This event features a week-long series of competitive soccer matches, showcasing the athletic powers, and a week-long series of other community programs. This event serves as a platform to unite the Oromo Americans to foster cultural exchange and promote diversity in Montgomery County. This event will bring participants from all over the world, in the thousands, from across the country and abroad, including Canada, US, Ethiopia, and they didn't include Gambia and Senegal. Thank you. But at this time, I would like to, with honor and privilege, to introduce our County Executive, Mike Eldridge, and our County Council Member for District 5, where all these activities are going to occur, Christine May. Mr. County Executive, welcome.
Kristen, hey.
Thank you. Good to see you.
You guys can sit down. So just a couple of things. First of all, I'm really happy that you've come here. It's great to be the scene of this event, and we've got facilities, and we certainly have a population that's open to it. You're in probably one of the most diverse counties in the entire country. And we know in Montgomery County that 16% of our foreign-born population is from Africa. 16% of our total population is African and African American. So it's a large portion of Montgomery County's population, and people play major roles in the county. You see a lot of folks in my administration, two people here. We've made a point of trying to be as diverse as possible on our end of things, as well as the work we do in the community. So we want people to feel like this is a safe and a good place to come, that you'll be welcome here and that you'll have opportunities here. So it's exciting because you'll bring people from around the country here, and they'll have a chance to see Montgomery County. Maybe some will want to migrate here too. We're always looking for additional residents and also additional opportunities. And we've been very present, for example, in small business spaces. We do a lot of work trying to make sure that local small businesses get a share of business in Montgomery County. We have local preferences. If you're in the small business world, you ever bid on county contracts, we have preference for local, we have price preferences for local, which means we give you more, not less. It's, we expect that, if we give money to local contractors, the money stays in the county. There's a real value in that. So sometimes you may pay more for it, but the value of the money actually staying here is greater than what we wind up paying more for, because by the time we all your taxes and everything, it's actually a pretty good deal. So we want to make sure that people are successful here and have opportunities here. We want cultural engagement in the city. We do a lot of this around here. And, personally, my son-in-law is Nigerian, and so I'm, familiar with, him and cultural things that we talk about. And so this is part, this is part of normal in America now, and we've become much more integrated and much more inclusive. So I just want to thank you. And Kristen, do you want to say some things?
I'll come up with the proclamation.
Because I want to do the proclamation.
Yeah.
I want to give you a chance if you want to say something. Come on up.
Sure, yeah.
Thanks. If you can say some things, then we'll do the proclamation together.
Sure, yeah. I am so excited that to present the proclamation with County Executive Eldridge today to the Oromo Sports Federation, and that you chose to have this year's event in Montgomery County and, of course, in District 5, which I'm so honored to represent. It truly is an honor to have you all select our home here to bring so many thousands of visitors. I know it'll be a great celebration of your culture and a demonstration of the amazing diversity that we have here in Montgomery County and in the DC region. Here we celebrate and respect everyone's heritage, and we know that diversity is one of our greatest assets. And I'm looking forward to a lot of great soccer matches. and Oromo food and music this week. So thank you all so much.
Thank you.
And thank you for working with my schedule.
Yes.
My schedule is terrible. So I'm glad
So,
we're
at
able
this
to get this.
time, we'll have Dr. Bahiru, you select the key folks will do the proclamation, and then before those, and then we'll take the group photo outside after the proclamation.
Okay.
Thank you.
Do you want to
Come,
come?
you want to come to the front?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Alternate.
But, Mr. County Executive, I overlooked one procedure. I just wanted to introduce my colleague, Jacob Newman, who is the director of the Silver Spring region, and then our fearless leader, the African liaison, appointed by the county executive to really focus on the needs of the African community, Harriet Shangalai, Jacob Newman. So we'd just like to thank them for their leadership. So at this time, we can just proceed to the proclamation. Okay. Abdul, you can join us. So whoever you choose to.
Abdul, come on up here, sir. Good. Somebody put that balance. It's like in football.
Now, since I'm the FIFA referee, I need to have the ball.
Wait, what's really the FIFA referee?
Right. Oh, there we go. There, perfect. All right. Okay.
You have number one.
Whereas the Oromo Sports Federation of North America Festival is a momentous event celebrated annually in the United States. The 2023 Oromo Sports Federation Festival will take place in Montgomery County during the week of July 22nd to July 29th, 2023, with an expected attendance of over 10,000 people and
Whereas the Oromo community is a large and active continental African community of Montgomery County, significantly contributing to the area's cultural and economic vitality, OSFNA serves as a unifying force among Oromo individuals and communities, fostering pride in their heritage and creating opportunities for social interaction and networking. And
whereas through the OSFNA Festival, the Oromo community strengthens cultural bonds and promotes cultural diversity, fostering a deeper understanding and appreciation of Oromo traditions, music, dance, and cuisine. The festival serves as a platform to educate and engage attendees about the rich Oromo heritage.
now therefore do we, Mark Overch's County Executive and Kristen Mink as Council Member of Montgomery County, Maryland, hereby proclaim July 22nd to July 29th as Oromo Week in Montgomery County. I commend the Oromo Sports Federation of North America for their efforts in promoting sports, cultural diversity, and community engagement. I encourage all government officials, educators, businesses, and residents of the county to join me in celebrating the significance of the contributions of our Oromo residents bring to the community through the OSFNA Festival. Signed the 21st of July, 2023.
Okay, look.
Okay, thank you. So now what we may want to come in just one big photo up in the lobby.
Okay.
This is,
Yes.
I'm sorry, I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir. I'm speechless, to say the least. First of all, we're extremely honored when we heard that your county is going to host this event for us. We are indeed very, very happy. And when I say we, it's not about the community, Oromo community. It's not about just the span and members. I'm referring to the entire Oromo, both here in the United States and back at home, who probably get a chance to listen to what we are doing here. To put the eyes on the cake, sir, what you just did by declaring 1 week of Oromo Week, I can't explain how delightful it is, how important it is, more important for our people. It means we are no longer hidden. It means that we get to know what Oromo stands for, who the Oromos are, and The captain, thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah.
We want to leave behind something that's going to be in our office for a long time to come.
Wow.
All right.
Okay. So, Harriet?
Yes,
you
you
can
can
have
have
a
a good picture.
Are you streaming live?
It is.
Okay.
This here, no, this is my stuff. Thank you, sir. So this is my part-time thing I do.
I got you.
Yeah.
How can I find that? You have to shift
I'll share it with you.
Okay.
If you can help me with this too.
Sure.
Yeah, you go.
No, I'm taking pictures too.
Oh, you take pictures
Yes.
too? Okay. I'll leave this here and go.
Got you. I think you just messed up his framing. No, actually, it's pretty good. Okay, who's gonna give the 3, 2, 1?
Nice, nice.
All right, look here on a 3, 2, 1. It's a big group. Let's try it again one more time. I think we got a lot of surprise faces there.
1, 2, let's go. Yes. Good.
Everyone looks happy. Thank you, guys. Did you get your shot?
I just need this picture.
Okay.
With that, but I like mine. Can I go on?
Oh, absolutely. Not here for that. Hey, how's it going?
Nice meeting you.
Nice
Got
meeting
a job
you too.
from life.
I totally understand. Have a great day. Email me or call me if you need me. Okay.
Okay. Do you have pen on you?
I can get one for you. One second.
Okay, thank you.
Watch out. This might close.
Okay. You give me another one. I'll so my name is Lisa Berlina.
Mm-hmm.
I teach at Morgan.
Oh, okay. How long have you done that?
So this is my 5th year at Morgan, but I worked for Morgan before.
Okay.
6 years before. Then I went back to school. Long story.
It's a long. It always is.
I've been living in Nairobi almost 20 years now, 19 years.
Oh, okay.
So it's excuse me. Birmaduu means freedom.
All right. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Freedom, yes. You can write it down.
If you need me, contact me, and I
I
can help
will.
you with any pictures or any information that you
Okay, I
may be
will.
missing.
I will. Thank you so very much.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you very much.
I appreciate
Yeah,
it.
absolutely. I'll send, email me. I'll send you a link to the pictures that we posted. Oh, absolutely. Anything you need from our office, just come through these.
Thanks.
Wonderful. Thanks.
Okay.
Isin eenyu isaan miti kan Osfaana mee nutti maaka maaltu isinitti dhaga'ame? Okay. Okay.
Let me take you with the council.
Kuni gartuu Osfaanaati. Akkuma agartanii proclamationiin raawwateera. Torban dhuftu kuni Juulaa 22 kaasee guyyaa torban Oromoo dheera torban tokko. Kanatti aansinee warra Osfaanaa wajjiniin haasofna. Mee kottaa mee haasawaa nutti warri Osfaanaa maqaa keessanii fi nutti maadamaa keessa Minisootaa dhuftanii nutti maa garuu irra deebi'aate. Okay, Durata Osfana. Okay. All right. Sino?
Anis Fuad Ibrahim Najani, Minnesota Rhine Buffet. Abadi Nagayiti.
Abadi Nagayiti. Okay. Baga nagaan dhuftan jalqabaa naannoo Washington DC kanatti sin arguu keenyatti baay'ee gammannaa. Akkuma amma ta'e torbanii Oromoo kan Osfaanaadhaan durfamu labsamee jira. Maaltu isinitti dhagame?
Baay'ee gammachuu guddaa kan amma asiin dura kana Minnesota fi St. Paul City of St. Minneapolis promotion kana Oromoo beeksisanii kuni immoo yeroo baay'ee magaalaa DC magaalaa warra sababaatii Oromoo achi kennee ture kuni mentaaliti uummata hedduu akkas yaadu sana jijjiira lama immoo kan Oromoo asii humna Oromoo DC calaqqisiisa baay'ee namoonni waan kana dalaganii kennan Osfaana qofa taane Oromoo guutuuf waan guddaa dalaganii Osfaana
baay'ee galatoomaa.
Yaa jeerri gartee isin warri DC kan irratti dalagee akka uummata Oromoo kan boonsanii hedduu galatees qabdan. Hiyyaan gartee wanni kanaan DC keessatti ta'a. So Sultan Europe bijee baradu Oromoo tu guroo dandeenya jechuudha jechuudha. So hedduu galatoomaa.
Baay'ee gaariidha. Kun immoo tarii isiniifis immoo magaalota adda addaa keessatti daftanii hawaasa Oromoo jiru wajjiniin hojjettanii waan akkasii kun ta'uu akka danda'u gara fuulduraatti itti yaaduu fi iddoo adda addaattis torbanii Osfaanaa kana gochuu fi yaaluun gaarii natti fakkaata. Maal jettu?
Akkuma qara jedhee barumsa baay'ee nu kenne Osfaana Minneapolis baasnee as fiduun kennu kanarraa baranne amma Osfaana magaalota dura deebisaa waa akkana dalaguu fi baay'ee abdii hedduu nu kenne kun yaa baay'ee waan daddalamu. Yaa akka jirutti waan kana Osfaana Minnesota Sultan DC ta'ee jira. Bikka biraatis bikka Oromoon jirtu magaalaa guddoo kan Portland bikka san geessinee gartee hawaasa keenya Osfaanaa hojii akka goonu abdii guddaa qabna.
Baay'ee gaariidha. Isin immoo Texas dhuftan? Maqaa keessanii fi lafa dhuftan nuu himame? Osfaanaa keessa. Okay. Maaltu isinitti dhagahame? Maalirraa agartanii? Maalirraa barattan waan ta'aa jiru kanarra?
Wanni guddaan as keessaa barannuu dandeenyu maalinni Osfaanaan magaalaa biraa yoo deemu maalinni bu'aan magaalaa sanii hawaasa sanii keessatti tokkoffaa amma kaawuntii kana keessatti warra bulchaa kaawuntii san keessa jiru hawaasni wal baratee jechuun waan guddaa tokko Osfaanaaf callaa osoo hin ta'in hawaasa magaalaa kana keessa so kun waan guddaa magaalaa hunda keessatti wanta kana gosa baratamee
qabsoon Oromoo yeroo eegalee miidiyaan kun Birmaduudha. Guyyaa boriitti interviyuu tokko gadhiifna waa'ee kanaa kan ilaalu obbo Xaa Abdii yeroo dudduubatti deebi'anii haasa'anii waan baay'ee walitti hidhani tokko kan ta'e keessaatti karaa aadaa karaa arfan qalloo waan godhame dubbatan maalinni Oromoon utuu akka ammaa kana karaa siyaasaan bahin fuuldura karaa aadaa warri kaan karaa dinagdee karaa adda addaa ba'e kanaaf Osfaanaan qabsoo Oromoo kana gara fuulduraatti deemsisuuf Oromoo biyya lafaatti barsiisuuf ga'ee guddaa qaba isa jedhu agarsiisa. Isin maal jettu?
An akka nama tokkootiitti asirratti namni hundi qabsoo uummata Oromoo irratti bu'aa guddaa qaba. Miidiyaa haa ta'u, nama dhuunfaa haa ta'u, abbaa qabeenyaa haa ta'u, namni kontribuushinii guddaa qaba. An akka nama tokkootitti kolleektiivli Oromoon daayirekshinii hundaan yoo tokko ta'e qabsoo uummata Oromoo keessatti bu'aa guddaa tokko fiduu danda'a. So kanaaf exclusively Osmaana jechuun danda'u namni hunduu qabsoo Osmaana keessatti qabsoo Oromoo keessatti.
Baay'ee galatooma baay'ee ulfaadha. If you don't mind, I wanna interview you. I heard
No.
that.
No.
You don't. You don't.
You can interview my brother Jeru here.
Okay. All right.
Jeru, can you like interview you?
I'd like to speak to you. Okay, so this media is called Birmaduu Media. Birmaduu means freedom in Afan Oromo. You were instrumental in this organization. So would you please speak to that?
Yes, I'm Jeru Bande. I'm the Regional Director for Montgomery County Government. I report directly to the County Executive. I represent him in the Eastern region where many of these activities are going to occur. I'm also a Gambian and of Senegalese heritage. I've been in this country for close to 15 years, and lived with virtually every African and observed the presence, the dynamic presence of our Ethiopian community, which includes the Oromo community. We value the contributions of the Oromo, the Ethiopian community in Montgomery County, the state of Maryland, and in the United States as a whole. As a very proud immigrant, like you and others, as a first-generation immigrants, it is a delight for me to be part of the introduction of the Oromo community officially to Montgomery County. We welcome every Oromo citizen, every Ethiopian citizen in Montgomery County. We will work with you to make sure not only the soccer program is successful, but in terms of integrating the Oromo contributions to our economic and our social fiber in Montgomery County. So, assalam dana.
Thank you. I have one more question. I know if you have noticed, the Oromo nation is a big nation. We have close to 50, 60 million in population-wise. When I speak with many of my African brothers and sisters, they don't even know where the Oromo is. They haven't heard anything about the Oromo. And sometimes it feels sad because such a large nation, but not being recognized. So what do you think this will introduce a different American nationalities who come from different parts of Africa?
This is the beginning, just in terms of awareness, not only of the Oromo presence in America. Many other large tribes, groups from Africa, whether it's Hausa, Fulani like me, including Amhara, and a number of the others from South Africa, from North Africa, is a big problem because here many people see us, it just suffices for them to think, oh, you're from Africa.
Yeah.
But however, for our own individual identities, this is a beginning of building knowing each other, informing each other, really getting to recognize the value the Oromo community, for example, that brings. At the end of the day, once we recognize the Oromos, with the Amhara, with the Tigrinians, and Eritreans, and then the Fulanis, the Hausas, we combinedly as Africans in a union will begin to show our impact not only in Montgomery County, but in Maryland and in the United States. But I do commend the Oromo community taking the step forward to say we want to be part of the bigger puzzle. We want to be part of the conversation. We want to be part of the dynamism in Montgomery County. So kudos to this community.
Thank you. You said you've been in the US for 50 years?
Yes, I grew up here at the high school and went to college and
You've been here since then?
I'm one of the first generation Africans here. All my kids are grown up and kind of emerged in the American system.
Right. So, how does being a Gambian, being of a Senegalese origin, and how does it inform your daily life?
My culture, I come from a very strong culture of Fulani, which is family based, which is tribal based. That strength really helped me propel me academically, socially, and economically in this country. I may be here for 50 years, but I'm still as village as you can. As we say, I am the village is me.
Right.
It's the village that made me, and what I am is about the people. It's the common values that brings us all together as one. So
right.
I
am
value,
because we are.
Yes, thank you very, very much.
Yeah.
That's exactly that concludes the whole story right there.
Right.
Yes.
What would be your advice to a young man or a young lady who has arrived from Africa, about keeping remembering your roots?
That's important. One, you have to understand your culture, your roots. You do, with all the challenges in the United States, continue to be connected to your roots, because along the pathway, you are going to be faced with so many challenges. If I use my experience, my cultural background, my heritage, my spirituality within the context of my culture has been the foundation that kept me propelling me towards success. So it is important. We came from a very great continent. We come from great people. And in this case, if you understand the history of Ethiopia, politically, historically, and spiritually, religiously, you'll understand the value that Oromo people, along with others from Ethiopia, taking the lead for us from Africa is very, very important. So for some of us who understand the history, do learn to value our relationship with everyone from Ethiopia.
Yeah. Thank you so very much. I really appreciate it.
Salam.
Salam. All right. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am.
I do.
All right. Daawwattoota keenya hedduu sin galateeffannaa. Torbanni Oromoo Montgomery County'tti labsamee amma asirratti raawwata. County Executive'n torban dhuftu kuni 22 kaasee inni jiru. Adoolessa 22 kaasee inni jiru. Torban Oromoo akka ta'u labsameera. Waggaa waggaatti itti deebinee kabajanna. Warri kaanis magaalaa adda addaa keessa kan jirtanii Osfaanaa wajjiniin akka kana innaa gootanii hojjettan dubbii kana raawwachuun hin danda'ama isa jedhu abdii nuuf kenna. Baay'ee fayyaa ta'a. Yeroo biraa walitti deebina.